Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about how to use transformations in Grafana. All right, so let me log into my local Grafana, admin. Skip this. So the first step, and I actually have the steps here. So open an existing Grafana dashboard or create a new dashboard. So in my case, I'm going to open an existing dashboard. So I'm going to dashboards and I'm going to use this dashboard, network inventory. Okay, so you notice here that I have variables, and I talked about this in the previous video, but in this video we're going to focus on transformations. All right, so let me go back to the steps. So step 2 is click add or edit an existing panel. So in our case, we're going to edit an existing panel because we have this panel here. This is a table panel, right? And yeah, select table as the visualization type and choose Postgres as the data source. I have that already, and let me just show that to you. So edit. So we see that the visualization or panel is table and the data source is Postgres 17. Okay, and step 3, we can use this SQL query, which I already have here. So this is the variable, by the way. Okay, let me go back to the steps. Step 4, open the transformations tab. So I'm going to open transformations tab, which is this. I already have transformations here, but I'm going to delete this first just to show you from scratch. Okay, so in the panel editor, yeah, select or click transformations tab and click add transformation. So add transformation, and I'm going to select organize fields. Okay, so we can type organize fields by name. So here we can see the columns, right? So we got 3 actions that we can do here: reorder columns, hide columns, rename columns. So we can actually try to reorder columns. So I'm going to reorder columns. So we can move the IP address there, host name, device type, location, and I'm going to hide columns. So in this case, I'm going to hide username, which is this, because we don't want to show the password especially, right? So I'm going to hide the columns username and password. And we can also rename columns. So we can say IP address here, host name, device type, device type, location, time. And then, yes, apply and save the dashboard. So I'm going to just save because I don't see the apply button here. And you can also add another transformation if you want to. But in this example, I'm going to just add 1 transformations. Okay, so click save dashboard, save. And now we should see that, yeah, the columns are renamed. So IP address, host name, device type, location, time. And we don't see the username and password. And we also rearrange them, the columns. All right. So save again. No, nothing to save here. So yeah, that's how you can use transformations in Grafana. So in this case, we are using a table panel. All right. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.